Look at my sexy Crocs. Right, midday update. It is midday. The sky is actually absolutely bloody gorgeous. Slightly obscured sun. Just really feckin' bright diffused light. And we have got 1 kilowatt coming in off of that string. 1 kilowatt coming in off of that string, which is absolutely perfect. All we need is just a little bit of brightness and a bit of diffused light. Oh, Big Blue is making 500, but they're all laying out on the floor flat. I would have maybe liked to have got the string voltage nearer 230, 240 volts just to give the inverter an easy life.